Hey everyone, if you want to make studying more efficient, ElevenReader can help by turning your study materials into natural-sounding audio. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ElevenReader for studying, organize your documents, and create a better learning experience with AI voices. First, launch the ElevenReader app or open the website in your browser, then sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account before getting started. Next, upload the materials you want to study. Depending on what's supported in your version of ElevenReader, you can add PDFs, EPUB files, text documents, or other compatible files from your device. After your file has finished uploading, open it from your library. ElevenReader will prepare the document so you can begin listening with AI narration. Press the play button to have your study material read aloud. Listening while following along on the screen can help you stay focused and review information more effectively. Customize the experience by selecting an AI voice you enjoy and adjusting the playback speed to match your learning pace. So you can slow the narration down for complex topics or speed it up when reviewing familiar material. As you upload more materials, organize them in your library so they're easy to find later. This makes it simple to revisit lecture notes, research papers, or textbooks whenever you need another review session. And that's how you can use ElevenReader for studying. Whether you're preparing for exams or reviewing daily lessons, AI narration can make learning more flexible and convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.